Hey, what's up out there? For the final project, we built an app that can solve Rubik's Cube based on the photo taken by the user. We got the idea since we're all Rubik's players and thought it would be pretty impressive for our phone to do it for us. The app consists of two main tabs. The first page is the introduction page. The second one is the main solving page.
The solving tab is the main structure of the app. As you can see, there are 6 tabs on the. There are 6 places on the top section where users can tap on them and take pictures. I already taken 5 out of 6 just for time efficiency concerns. And as the picture is taken, the picture will send to a cropping page where the user can select out the cube for color recognition. What happens behind the scene is that the program will cut each surface into 9 subblocks and calculate the RGB value of each subblock. Then the calculated average RGB value will be used to compare with the standard color RGB values using the square formula. The lower part of this tab consists of a word representation of the color that's being scanned, just to make sure that before we start to solve, all the colors are scanned accurately. As we click solve, you can see their algorithm pop out, and we can see an animation of it. The solving process uses the so-called Cosiemba algorithm, which solves the cube within 21 twists, and is implemented as an open source library called Mean2Face. And this final website is also an open source project. For the word representation I mentioned earlier, in case of a bad color recognition, we can manually override the colors. See, just say if I change here, it's orange, and if I change to red, we will just see an arrow pop out saying that the recognition is bad. And if I change it back to orange, boom, we got it back up. And the clear will basically just clear all user inputs.
In order to cooperate better, we commit code to our individual branches. After verifying that each branch is working properly and bugless, we merge them into master branch using pull requests. We share and communicate our work together. In terms of how we divide up the work, I'm responsible for setting up the instruction UI, the app log, and the restart button on the main page. Yiho, another guy in the team, finished the color detection algorithm along with integrating the external library. Ray did the UI main page and the function that allows users to manually change the scanning output. Okay, the most annoying technical issue we ever encountered in the project is color detection. Since the photo taken by the user can sometimes be very poor due to lighting condition and lighting reflection, it is hard to correctly catch all the color of each piece of square. Our first approach is just focusing on one single pixel at the center in each square to determine the color, and it turned out that's very inaccurate. So we switched to a different color detection algorithm that basically averages all the RGB values in that single square and compare it to the standard color RGB. That, it turns out, fixed the whole problem.
Well, that's all of our project. If you're interested in any idea or you want to improve the app, you can visit our GitHub main page, or you can even just fill out this Google form to help us debug. Thank you.